Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Google SafeSearch is not working. So I'll show you an alternative fix that can help block adult websites directly in Google Chrome using secure DNS. So start by opening Google Chrome. Next, click the three dot menu in the top right corner. Now from here, scroll down and select Settings. Now from the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Now, on the right side, look for security and click on that. So once you're here, scroll down until you see Use Secure DNS. So it's under Advanced. So hover over to Advanced and look for Use Secure DNS and make sure it is turned on. If it's turned off, just toggle it on just like so. Then select your DNS provider. So click this arrow right here to view the available DNS options. Now you can select Clean Browsing Family Filter to automatically block adult websites. You can also choose Open DNS, which provides similar content filtering. After selecting your preferred DNS provider, you don't need to make any additional changes. So simply close the Settings tab. So Google Chrome will automatically start using the new secure DNS provider. If SafeSearch isn't filtering explicit results properly, this method adds an extra layer of protection by blocking adult websites at the DNS level while you browse in Chrome. Next method, you can also clear browser cache. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and go to delete browsing data. Then at the top, select the time frame. Then right here, make sure you check cache images and files, also cookies and other site data. Then click delete data to confirm the action. Once done, try again and see if that solves the problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching.